He left. He left me. And he left everything. He's just gone.
So you know he has any friends, someone might call him a pinch. You really don't help him.
I don't know what's true.
I don't tell you to hear this, but Tom is wanted for murder, and he's innocent. So if you know where he is, or where he might be going, now is the time to tell us.
I can tell you a lot of things. He's just lying to me our entire marriage. He wasn't even working anymore. He was fired months ago. He lied about that. He lied about being in the army. Told me he had all these degrees. PhD. Not true. He even lied about how many times he did it. Clearly he's been playing me for a fool from the beginning.
Patty and Meowy had no clue whatsoever that he was telling people he was weird, that she didn't exist. Tom had, in fact, been married 4 times. His second wife did have cancer. She also survived. He had never lost a wife.
Well, Patty was a wonderful wife and a wonderful husband. She was truly a nice, loving, caring person who just did a good job.
And you need to find him. So if there's anything that you know,
You didn't say anything.